Okay, in this video I'm going to create a UI layout that has tabs in tabs in tabs. Be using a central control panel, I guess you could call it. It will consist of 3 images. So these are the 3 images I'll use as the main control. But I want, when this image is clicked, I want it to return to here, so I'll add this one first. That'll be our main images. Now I'll use these 4 as inner tabs. And I'll just add a couple of button style tabs as inner ones as well. Yes. No. Okay. Let's position these. Now these start screen, all you'll see is these 3 images. Okay, save UI. Okay, as usual, tab 2 by default gets selected. I start, go to tab 1. So when this icon is clicked, all I want to show is these 3. So I need to remove all these others. I'll just pause it. I'll remove these 5 as well. Okay, just you can add a panel around those if you want. Not sure what size to make this. Just leave everything else blank. Don't set any colors, and it'll be a transparent box. For size, be a bit big. Just make that 100. See how that looks. Should be okay, I think. And I won't worry about doing it now, keep the video shorter, but you can add right accounts, profiles, settings underneath. Save. Now I can't click on these because of the boxes, so I'll have to push them to the back. Tab 2 selected, that's why we see everything. There we go. Now, tab 2. So, let's say I want these 4 tabs to show when this one's clicked. Just remove these 2. And I'll want to remove these 3 as well. Okay. So we'll click home, back to here. We got these. Now, the 2 inner tabs, let's say I want them to show under this tab. So I'll just remove these 3. Okay. It's going to be a long video if I do it all. So, okay, I want the 2 inner tabs under the Facebook. I don't want any under these, so I'll have to click on this one. Then I'll just remove all those 5. Do the same with Twitter and with the YouTube. And the profiles, I won't want, all I want left will be the home icon. So I'll remove the 2 inner tabs here, these 3 and these 4, and then do exactly the same with the settings tab. Remove everything except the home icon, then add the elements you want. And yeah, that's how to set it up, this kind of UI layout. I hope that makes sense to you. If you have any questions, just ask me. Okay, thanks.